Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Chinese TikTok Douyin APK on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, launch your App Store. At the very top, you're going to see the search box over there. Type in the app name and then search for it. With that, the app will appear. In case the app does not appear, what you have to do is first you need to change the region for your App Store, because this is the only way in which you can download Douyin app on your phone. As you know, iPhone doesn't allow to download third-party apps like APK. So to download Douyin with official method, just head back. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Select the option Country or Region. Now from the list of countries, select China. Now click Continue. Now go to the terms and conditions and agree with it. Now you'll need to fill out this add payment method. Once you fill out this, click on Done. With that, your new region will be updated on the App Store. Once you do that, you can head back and search for the app Douyin. With that, the app will appear, and you can easily download it on your device. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Chinese TikTok Douyin APK on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.